Welcome to Filipino-Canadian AME. Before that, please don't forget to like, subscribe so you will be notified for my new video. Joggling or joggle. A joggle is an offset formed on an angle strip to allow clearance for a sheet or an extrusion. Joggles are often found at the intersection of stringers and formers. One of these members, usually the former, has the flange joggled to fit flush over the flange of the stringer. The amount of offset is usually small, therefore, the depth of the joggle is generally specified in thousandths of an inch. The thickness of the material to be cleared governs the depth of the joggle. In determining the necessary length of the joggle, it is common practice to allow an extra L/16 in. To give enough added clearance to assure a fit between the joggled, overlapped part. If the joggle is to be made on a straight flange or flat piece of metal, form it on a cornice break by inserting and bending up along the line of the joggle. Hold a piece of metal of the correct thickness to give the desired offset under the bent-up portion, and pound the flange down while the metal is still in the same position in the break. Where a joggle is necessary on a curved flange, forming blocks or dies made of hardwood, steel, or aluminum alloy may be used. If the die is to be used only a few times, hardwood is satisfactory as it is easily worked. If a number of similar joggles are to be produced, then use steel or aluminum alloy dies. Dies of aluminum alloy are preferred since they are easier to fabricate than those of steel and will wear about as long. These dies are sufficiently soft and resilient to permit forming aluminum alloy parts on them without marring, and nicks and scratches are easily removed from their surfaces. When using joggling dies for the first time, test them for accuracy on a piece of waste stock. In this way you will avoid the possibility of ruining already fabricated parts. Always keep the surfaces of the blocks free from dirt, filings, and the like, so that the work will not be marred.
Please play for our next video.